Hey, hi, welcome to this new episode on podcasting. This is based on how to learn data science in 2022. Let's go on into that. Before going to how to roadmap of the learning of data science, I want to tell about the briefly understand about the data science. Well, nowadays, the data science is one of the hottest jobs sector where in 21st century because AI and data science are playing a main role in this big role. It means a main role in this world, because based on that only we are working on these domains, and we have lot of implementations I have done in these domains. Let's move. Why you choose the data science at first? Why want you choose the data science means data science is one of the deciding and the goals first. It can be implemented using of lot of things. It can be used for so many implementations of robotics and AI. For the huge amount of data also we can manufacture using the data science. At first, what is mean by data science? Data science is a science of analyzing the raw data using by statistics and machine learning techniques with the purpose of drawing the conclusion about the information, which means by using some of the machine learning techniques and deep learning techniques and natural language techniques, we can use the raw data into some of the conclusions, like using the visualization graphs and so many things, techniques we can use like that. At first, which way we want to learn the data science? For the learning of data science, you want to know the domain knowledge and mathematics skills and computer skills and communication skills. First, when we compare to the domain knowledge, we want to choose for data science R or Python. I suggest Python is the best thing for the data science. Okay, why the Python I choose means we have a package supported towards the data science. We can easily write the code, we can easily implement the data science projects in the Python. Let's move. Okay, then and which way? Actually, what is the roadmap of the learning of data science means? At first, you want to concentration on the mathematics. In mathematics, some of the topics like linear algebra and matrix, vector calculus, optimizations, regression, dimensionality reduction, and then classification. These are the types of the mathematical things you want to concentration on this data science before going to start this. After that, you want to concentrate on probability. Why probabilities are necessary? Some of the machine learning algorithms are works on the probability cases, like conditional probability and joint probability and distribution probability, gradient distribution probability. Like that, some of the probabilities are helped to overcome this machine learning algorithms. And next one, statistics. Statistics are the very significant as a part of the data analysis. So we can analyze the data in the mathematical form. In that case, we can use the statistics methods like random sampling, population parameters, estimators, so many things, sampling techniques. There is techniques under these statistics that used to develop the model very efficient, and that can help to analyze the data very easily. After that, after completing of this mathematical concept part, you want to move towards the programming part. Like you can choose the Python or R or Java, Scala, and C++. So these are all working under the we can do the AI, but I suggest you Python is the best thing to move towards artificial intelligence or the data science, because it have a main package supporter to implement in the data science projects. After completing of this overall this programming languages, you want to move towards the SQL database. It is very necessary to move towards the database things like MySQL or PostgreSQL, SQLite, anything you want to learn this database, because we want to store the data as that case we use the database. And after that we want to learn, it is a fifth step, we want to learn the machine learning. How the machine learning, why machine learning is important, and why this, and next our podcasting I will explain about the machine learning. Okay, for this case this is a roadmap to learn the data science. Machine learning is important because we can use here that we have to understand the model overfitting, underfitting, how the algorithms works, how many types of algorithms are supervised and unsupervised algorithms, and in the intermediate stage we have learned the missing values and handling the categorical variables, pipelines, executes example. These are the models which are built done in this machine learning algorithm. So after completing of machine learning, you want to move towards the neural networks, that is deep learning. Deep learning will works on the frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras, that will help you to develop build your model very efficiently and in very attractively. You can get an easy high percentage of outputs. We can easily, like the algorithms like artificial neural networks, CNN, RNN, LSTM. These are the things we can use in deep learning. There is some more. These are the main things we can use. And seventh step is feature engineering. Why feature engineering is used? If we have found any outliers or any missing data, by using these feature engineering techniques, we can solve these outliers, and we can solve this missing values, errors and in the data set. After completing all this, the eighth step is move towards the natural language processing. Natural language processing is used for the text data. It works on the text data, because text data means like example of Amazon review products, or movie review projects, how the product is good, segment analysis, sentiment analysis, like things we can use for natural language processing. And the ninth step is data visualization tools. Why data visualization tools help us? Because we want to visualize the data for the user, who are the client producer of the data, how much data is distributed each of the form, like formats like EDA, exploratory data analysis, like bar plot or scatter plot, any type of plots, and using a Tableau or Power BI also one of the main tools for the data visualization. And 10th step is the final step, I think so. Final step is deployment is very very important for this uh, model building. Okay, after for deployment you can choose the AWS, Azure, Cloud, Heroku, like this. Flask and Django. Flask and Django is used for the web development side. So by using this web development of sites, we can deploy our models. These are the frameworks of Python, Django and Flask. And next podcasting I will explain how the Django works and how the Flask goes. Okay, these are all the 10 steps you want to learn about the data science in 2022. It is very important to learn, and make sure you want to practice more on the projects and learn more about this data science. Okay, thank you.